If you want to fix the battery not being able to charge to 100% on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, if it's stuck at 80%, then we need to go to settings, scroll down in here in order to find battery settings, and then we're gonna go to battery protection. And if you have battery protection enabled over here or smart charging, then this is the reason why the battery sometimes can be stuck at 80% and it might not want to charge fully to 100%. These options are, of course, used in order to prevent the battery aging quickly and to, of course, to protect the battery, as the name suggests. But as a result, batteries can be stuck at 80%, as it is even described in these descriptions, of course, of these options. But if you want to turn it off, you just have to switch to charge fully, and then the phone will just charge to 100% pretty much all the time. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.